Routers need a helping hand to do their job. There are thousands of jigs, guides, and templates on the market for your router, and most of them are designed to do one job. Well, we're about to change that. This is Woodpeckers Multi-Function Router Base, a feature-packed accessory designed to make routing jobs easier and more accurate. It guides your router in precisely straight lines and perfect arcs. Let's look at straight lines first. Install the edge guide in one of 10 locations on the base. Slide your router onto the polished stainless steel guide rods and you're ready to route precisely parallel to the edge of your stock. But I still haven't shown you the coolest feature of the multi-function router base. Just reach for the micro adjuster and dial your router into exactly the right position for your cut. For example, these two lines are the exact position for this piece of plywood. I'll drop the bit into the cut, dial it into the line with the micro adjuster, and make the first half of the cut. Now I'll tweak it over to the other side and make the second half of the cut. Perfect fit. And here's product engineer Cody Uhrig on the micro adjuster.
I was working with the router table micro adjuster one day in the shop, and it dawned on me that the pair of guide rods with the adjustment screw centered between them could be adapted to the router base I was designing. Keeping things centered balances the tool and smooths out operation, both when you're adjusting the tool and when you're using it.
The 10 positions of the edge guide give you a range from barely kissing the edge to a full 8 inches away. If you need more, add the extension base and position your edge up to 21 inches away. Still not enough? Optional extension guide rods can be added. Each pair adds another 12 inches. Stack up as many as you need. There's also a set of mortising pins that make it simple to route in the edge of your stock. With the micro adjuster, you can accurately cut mortises wider than your router bit or position your mortise offset to one side or the other. For cutting arcs, you have options similar to the edge guide. The base has 4 different access points that give you a range from 3/4 inch up to 8 1/4 inches. By combining different arcs and working with the support of the large base, projects like this chip and dip tray couldn't be simpler. If you need to go beyond that, the standard extension guide rods will take you all the way out to a 45-inch diameter, or add optional extensions to go as far as you need. And when you're cutting arcs, the access point is centered between the support rods and directly in line with your bit. Woodpeckers Multi-Function Router Base unlocks your creativity and takes your router to a new level of accuracy and ease of use. Order yours today.